guys, in this video we will show you how to use apps like WhatsApp, Discord, Instagram, and other social media apps all in one APK in PC. Do like, share and subscribe. Click on the link in description.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through.
Click on the link as per your PC bits. 64 bits or 32 bits, I suggest you to download portable one.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see.
You will get a RAR file, extract it using Run Rambox as administration. You can lock Rambox with temporary password.
That keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what
you will get wide range of apps over here. I am selecting the major apps to show you the example.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear I weighed the person you are.
Follow the instructions given to open the respective apps. You can apply permanent password over here. Lastly, you can create your own Rambox account. It helps to sync with all your PC. Hope you liked the video. Hit like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.